My name is Kuda and welcome to Think, Be, Do, where we are conscious about what we think, intentional about who we are and who we are becoming, and we take action towards the future that we want without making any excuses and no more procrastination. I'm so excited that you're here, and I so believe that we are going to go on this journey together and grow together. So stay tuned. Let's get things done.
Hi, I am Kuda's avatar created using AI, and I will be delivering this part of the channel trailer. Please let me know if I deliver better than Kuda. Hi, I'm Kuda's avatar, and welcome to Think, Be, Do, where we are conscious about our thoughts and ideas, intentional about who we are becoming, and we take action towards the future we want, no excuses. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, and if you want to know how